Understanding the phrase, run in circles, an English language tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, run in circles. This phrase is commonly used in both casual and formal conversations, and understanding it can greatly enhance your English communication skills. Let's dive in and unravel the meaning and usage of run in circles. Run in circles is an idiomatic expression in English. It means to be busy doing many things but not achieving much. It's like running around a lot, but ending up in the same place. This phrase can be used to describe futile efforts or actions that don't lead to progress. The phrase likely originates from the literal action of running in a circle, where one keeps moving but doesn't actually go anywhere. This imagery perfectly captures the essence of the phrase when applied metaphorically to situations in life or work. Let's see how run in circles is used in different contexts. 1. In work, the team has been running in circles trying to solve this problem, but we haven't found a solution yet. 2. In personal life, I've been running in circles trying to plan the perfect birthday party, but I can't seem to get everything organized. These examples show how the phrase can be used to express frustration or inefficiency in various situations. There are several phrases and words with similar meanings, such as spinning your wheels, going nowhere fast, chasing your tail. Understanding these synonyms can help you better grasp the concept and use it more flexibly in conversations. I hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and use of the phrase, run in circles. Remember, it's all about describing situations where a lot of effort is made, but little progress is achieved. Keep practicing and using this phrase in your conversations to become more fluent in English. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next language learning adventure.